Hello everyone, I'm back with another new video on a GuidePath Academy. I hope you are all doing very well. As we know, the impact of AI in our industry is going very fast and also in a day-to-day life. For that, we have to be a know the AI, what is that AI, how it is going to work and much more. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the Google's new AI program that is a very biggest program from Google right now. That is the Gen AI exchange program from the Google. And trust me guys, this is the one of the biggest program offered by the Google right now. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that what's Google offer by this AI exchange program, how you can apply for this program, what is the criteria and what benefit you will get after completing this AI exchange program. But before starting the video, I want to submit a request to you guys. Make sure that you subscribe our channel, click that bell icon so you will be never miss any update from us side. So let's get started. If we see here, this is the Gen AI exchange program from Google for the specially designed for the India for upgrading our AI skill. If you see here, this program have one of the two biggest motto for our India, that is the empower Indian developer with a generative AI skill. And also Google is now have a big vision to support the Vikasit Bharat 2024. So this is the very big program from the Google. So in this total program, you are going to be a learner the fundamentals of AI. Also you are going to be a learner deeply in AI with the expert leads training by the Gen AI Academy. In this you are going to be a participate in AI exchange hackathon. Also you are going to be a build a real world solution from the real world problem. You are going to be a participate in a various competitions, and also you are getting a chance to win a prize from a Google also. There is a certain criteria for joining this program, that is the your age should be a more than the 18 year plus and you have a Indian citizenship. So who can participate in this program? If you are a beginner, intermediate and expert, you can definitely apply for this because you are getting certified from the Google as a AI developer and a cloud developer also from this program. This is a very big program guys, and also I am going to tell you that how you can register this program step by step later in the video. So if you see here, for a beginner they have a different plans, for intermediate they have a different plans, and for expert they have a different plans. If you are a beginner, by joining this program you are going to join the Gen AI Academy from Google, and this academy will teach you from basic to experience advanced level total AI. And if you are intermediate, they will polish your skills to become an expert in a AI industry with their Gen AI Academy. Also they are going to train you for unlocking a new opportunities in a industry. If you are expert, then you are invited to join the hackathon, showcase your talent, and also build a innovation solution from the real world problem and win a prize. So if you see here, you will be get a Google Cloud Skill batches and certification from Google. Also you can you are going to earn a Gen AI Academy completion certificate from Google as well as a Gen AI Academy. After that you are getting a cash reward by observing your performance and your expertise in your project. You are eligible for a cash reward prize. Also they are going to recognize you in their platform, and they will be give you incentives for your dedication and for your work. And you get the learner from the best in the business. You get the chance to attend the workshop from Google by doing this Google program. After joining this program, you are going to be attend the Google master class. After that you are getting the complete AI course from Gen AI Academy. You are going to earn a certification. Then Google are going to be recognize you in their leaderboard platform, so you get recognized in a Google also. And also you get the invitation from the Google events and merchandise. So Google are planning more and more events and merchandise in upcoming year, so you get the free chance to attend these Google events and merchandise. And also the for the starting you get the some basic courses from this Gen AI Academy, that is building a real world AI application with a Gemini animation, prompt design in a Vertex AI, and much more. And if we talk about the Google events and merchandise, you have to be click on a bootcamp. You will be get the some further details which is actually announced by the Google right now. The Google are going to be conduct the bootcamp from 10 plus cities in our India, and that bootcamp should be a person to person bootcamp. So you will be get a chance to interact with the Google team, and that city is Gurgaon, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Indore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, and Kolkata. This is all the information for the Gen AI Exchange program from the Google. Now we will move toward the registration process. Whenever you click on an enroll button, you will be redirected to this page. You have three options that you should be a login with your Google, GitHub link and Microsoft account. Choose accordingly as per your requirement. After that, you will be come here that the page. So in this page, you have to fill your basic details, and after that you will become here that you have to be a choose your city for your person to person bootcamp. The after that just click on a register. Google will notify you the starting date and the starting all program activities by a mail. This is all for this video. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.